Rune Westberg is a Danish songwriter, record producer, and mixer from Los Angeles. He has written and produced for artists including Lambert, Colbie, Caillat, Daughtry, Prince Royce, Jesse and Joy, Rachel Platten, Nina Nesbitt, Alvaro Soler, Haley Reinhart, Better Than Ezra, Reece Mastin, Bonnie Anderson, Casey Abrams, Chris Allen, Jessica Sanchez, The Saturdays, David Cook, Tegan Murray, Axelle, Kristinia, DeBarge, Hedley, Natalie Grant, Brooke White, The JaneDear Girls, MoZella, Tiffany Page, Our Lady Peace, Beth Hart, Hiroko, Tyler Hilton, Jason Reeves, Alphabet, Sabia, Car Park North, 2 West, Magton's Courtier, Powell Krabs and Monty Spinks. He released a solo album in 2001 entitled Rune Westberg. Along with Chad Kroeger, Dill and Chris Daughtry, Westberg co-wrote No Surprise, a single on Daughtry's second album Leave This Town. The song debuted on American Idol on May 6, 2009. Westberg won a BMI award for the song in 2010. In 2016, he was nominated for a Latin Grammy for Best Song of the Year with Ecos de Amor performed by Jesse and Joy. List of released songs written by or written and produced by Rune Westberg. References